Hey, Woodbury Spine family, Dr. Justin here with our Education Tuesday 2 minutes. I'm going to give it to you fast today. First and foremost, we are talking about one of the components of our 8 Weeks of Wellness program, which is massage. A lot of times massage is seen as like this luxury that you only get to do on birthdays and Christmases, and you give gift cards. And the reality is that it is a necessity, meaning that the way we sit, the way we move, our body creates memory around that, muscle memory around that. And the reality is we create bad patterns in each set. So like a posture, if I'm sitting all day long, this posture probably looks pretty common to a lot of people in their offices. And the reality is our flexion of our chest muscles, flexion of our hip flexors, and that can create a lot of low back pain, upper back pain, neck pain, and a lot of problems that exist long term. And there's only so much that adjustment can do when the muscles continue to make those changes a negative, meaning that they're pulling you back out of alignment. So massage becomes a necessity. In our office, our therapists focus heavily on the therapeutic side of it, making changes to your body for the long term and making changes permanently. So we put you on a plan and we give you things you need to do inside, outside the office to make a huge shift. And we do that through massage. And the reality is that our massage therapists are so popular that we're typically scheduled out 2 months, which I'm sure some of you have had the frustration of not being able to schedule a massage in our office, which is why we hired another therapist. We have another therapist coming on for about 20 hours a week, TJ. I want you guys to book with him. We're running a flash sale for Valentine's Day to have an opportunity to book just with him so we can get you guys in right away. A, you can experience the benefits, and B, you can experience his massages. He's got 10 plus years of massage therapy experience that you're going to love. The other thing I want to tell you about besides massage is February is our heart health month, meaning that we have our dinner with the doc event. We're bringing it back. We're doing it great. We're going to do it all about heart health. We're going to talk about supplements. We're going to talk about nutrition. We're going to talk about why statins are used and why cholesterol is affected. We're going to go through all of these things, and I want you guys to bring a friend, bring a spouse, bring someone. We're going to have some light snacks, but the important thing is you're going to get educated on a very, very important organ, your heart, which you want to take care of. Guess how many of those you get in your lifetime? Just one. So it becomes really important. So February 19th at 6:30 in the evening, be here or be square, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday.